Do you want to make $10,000 a month with print-on-demand products, but have no idea where to start? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start your POD business today and scale it using AI tools to make money while you sleep. Stick around, because I'm about to reveal the exact steps that have helped countless people make thousands of dollars each month with POD. First things first, what is print-on-demand? POD is a business model where you sell custom-designed products without having to worry about inventory or shipping. You simply create a design, upload it to a platform, and when someone makes a purchase, the product is printed and shipped directly to the customer. The best part? You don't have to handle the products or any of the logistics. It's all done for you, and you get to keep the profit. Now let's talk about how to start your POD business. It doesn't have to be hard or expensive. With AI tools, you can design products quickly, set up your shop, and even automate a lot of your marketing efforts. Here are 3 powerful steps to get started. Step 1. Create your designs. Use AI tools like Midjourney to generate stunning designs for t-shirts, mugs, and more. AI can create unique and creative artwork based on simple prompts. All you have to do is tell it what you want. And the best part is, you don't need any design skills. Next, use Canva to edit your designs. With Canva's free templates, you can easily turn your art into printable products in seconds. It's so beginner-friendly, you'll be creating beautiful designs in no time. Then, use ChatGPT to write compelling product titles and descriptions. Just ask ChatGPT to generate catchy product descriptions with SEO-friendly keywords. This will help your products get found by the right customers. So, how do you make $10,000 a month with your print-on-demand business? The key is scaling your operation. Here are a few tips to help you get there. Focus on niche products. While general products can sell, niche markets are where the big money is. Focus on specific themes or interests, like funny dog shirts or motivational quotes for entrepreneurs. When you target a niche, you connect with passionate customers who are more likely to buy. Increase your product range. Don't just stick to t-shirts. Add products like mugs, hoodies, tote bags, and phone cases to your store. The more products you have, the more chances you have to make sales. Use social media to drive traffic. Leverage AI tools to schedule posts and run ads on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Create engaging content that directs traffic back to your store. AI can help you create ads that convert and target the right audience, so you can scale quickly. Optimize your store. Use SEO techniques to make sure your products are discoverable on search engines. You can use AI tools like Jarvis for optimizing your listings with the right keywords. The more visible you are, the more chances you have to get noticed by customers. So, how much can you really make with POD? Well, if you're selling $20 t-shirts and your profit is around $10 per sale, you need to make 1,000 sales a month to hit $10,000. 2,000 sales would get you $20,000. It's all about consistency and driving traffic to your store. In conclusion, AI is your best friend when it comes to building a successful POD business. You can create designs, set up your store, and automate marketing with AI, allowing you to make money online faster than ever. Don't wait. Start your POD business today and use AI to help you scale to $10,000 a month or more. Follow for more tips and start building your passive income with print-on-demand today. Want to learn more and connect with like-minded sellers? Join us on School for exclusive content, strategies, and community support. Click the link in my channel description to join now.